once and it was really
snowy
and cold and windy. So we suited back up, we got the goggles on, now we're gonna go back out. And here's what it looks like outside right now. Blowing pretty good, coming down hard. We got over 2 feet and no signs of slowing down. Kim, who's cool?
Me.
And me. We're both cool. Me. Well, it's 7 o'clock in the morning and we're headed to Whitegrass for the first time this year because we got a bunch of snow and we haven't had any snow this year, so taking off work, going skiing. Hey, buddy. We made it to Whitegrass to get the skis and then get on the trail.
Yes. There's a 10.5, 8.5.
Okay.
Made it to the top of the Whitegrass Mountain. Up here. You can't usually see this far. Yeah, it's super clear out here. So we made it to the top hut. Galen's getting the fire going. And Kim's finding some dead branches. Peanut butter and lingonberry. Ah, my favorite. Getting your hands warm?
Yeah, I love the fire. It feels great.
Guys ready to hit the trail? Head to Dolly Sods. Yeah, I love it out here, dude.